Hello peoples of the YouTube who accidentally stumbled across this video. This is going to be a series of videos about a build-up of my Surly cross-check single speeder with low-end components. The frame Surly cross-check. It's a 58 centimeters frame. It has a solid double-bodied steel 4130 chromoly. It's around 2.5 kilos and the fork is around a kilo. It's a bit on the heavy side, but it's very sturdy. It can hold up to 135 kilo of a driver and 25 kilos of luggage, around 160 kilos in total. This is a nice frame for people who are a bit on the heavy side and like classic touring frames, steel frames. Now I got a Shimano bottom bracket. It's a standard one, is the BBUN 55. It's pretty common. It's a GIS one. Focus. Yep, there you go. Then I got a crank, a Sugino crank with two chainrings, a 52 and a 42. For the single speed, I'm gonna use the 52 chainring. Later, when I switch to a 10 or 9 speed cassette, I'm gonna use the 42 chainring. It's just crank set. Snatched it for 25 euros. Now, also I got some single speed lugs. They are from the eBay, around 3 to 5 euros. It states they are 75 aluminum. We'll see. Then I got a pedals from Chinesium, and it's the short message system, SMS. They are Shanmashi or Shinmashi, 3 bearings. I opened them and they do have 3 bearings, but they are very cheap bearings. I gotta measure them and see if I can swap them with another standardized bearings. Maybe they got a common European standard size. I got another set of pedals, another model, but the name is on the whole pedal. It's Shanmashi or Shinmashi, and they are holding up okay. I got them I had them for around a year. Holding up okay. We'll see how those guys do. Now this is my front rack. It's also from Chinesium on the eBay, and it's okay. It will be mounted on the Canty V-brake lugs. So I'm gonna get some components maybe next week, and then I'm going to be starting the build. That's over now. Bye the YouTubes.